Hello and welcome to this introduction to the latest updates and features in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, version 2024. As a constantly evolving platform, Premiere Pro has undergone significant changes in the past year, bringing advanced tools and capabilities to the editing table. The most notable new feature in Premiere Pro 2024 is the integration of Adobe Sensei, a machine learning powered AI engine that enhances editing tasks through automation, recommendation, and smart editing. Sensei can recognize and respond to common editing patterns, making the workflow more efficient and precise. Another significant update is the introduction of the new HDR, high dynamic range support, allowing users to edit and render HDR footage with greater ease and flexibility. This feature combines multiple exposure frames to create a seamless HDR image, providing improved color accuracy and dynamic range. In addition to these, Premiere Pro 2024 brings advanced color grading capabilities, improved motion tracking, and real-time audio editing features. The program also now supports Apple ProRAW and Google Photos RAW formats, as well as an extensive new range of GPU-accelerated operations. Overall, these updates aim to elevate the creative and editing capabilities of Premiere Pro, making it an even more powerful and versatile tool for media professionals. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a beginner looking to start your editing journey, Premiere Pro 2024 has something to offer everyone.